Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Flower Making Day inspired by Paige Evans. So we're going to make some of her type of flower. This is Scrap Diva Designs information. As we are using her dies today, this is a brand new die and you can pick it up from her website. I will have it linked below. If I inspired you today, please use my discount code to save you a percentage, and that's V10, that's VEE10. This is the center of the flower that I'm using. It's a Sizzix die by Tim Holtz. However, you are able to use a circle using a paper punch. You can use the stylus tool to form the edges as well. So you could use anything as a center. I am using that die as well as some diamond dots. Well, I will show you later on in the video. So here are the flowers. Let's get started with the fun part by making flowers. So there's diamond dots right there. I'm using white. You can use any color. I love using diamond dots for centers, also for sequins, FYI. I'm using my silicone flower mat, and again, like I mentioned before, my stylus. So using your stylus, just draw a line in the center of each petal and do that for all of the petals. Once you've done that, it doesn't have to be perfect either. So once you've done that, just fold your petals in half. I will be using these flowers in the next video for a project, and I can't wait to share with you guys the next one. So I'm just going to draw a line with my stylus tool for each petal. This is the pack that I bought from Michael's, the value pack. And I didn't get them on sale, which I wish I had. However, I needed this ASAP, and so I went and got it. So I picked up the orange to yellow, the fuchsia to pink, and as well as blue to green. So you guys, I'm going to show you the blue to green in a bit. As you can see, the orange to yellow flower already at the upper left-hand corner. Okay, so for the leaves already have an embossed line straight down the middle of it. So all you have to do is just fold them. And that's what I'm doing here, folding up and creating some dimension there. And super easy. You can do it with your hand or you can do it with a tool, whichever you prefer. I'm always choosing the fast route. I'm going to grab my stylus tool here and start forming the center of the flower. My diamond dot here, let's get one out. You get so many in the jar, which I absolutely love, especially being a paper crafter. We need plenty of product. So yes. Well, I'm just about done here with my glue. I can't wait to start using my Bearly Arts once this is done. Well, I think I will be using my Bearly Arts. However, I may be using another one. So I'm trying to finish my other ones before I go to Bearly Arts. Okay, back to the video. I'm adding my diamond dot with some liquid glue. So just take your time using liquid glue. It's super easy. You could just use another tool to center the diamond dot. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold all of the petals, and I'm going to glue the first two petals together. And unfortunately, my camera did cut out on me and did not film the rest of the petals being glued. So, but it's exactly like this here. You just glue one on top of another and make sure that they're all aligned and not off center. And so Paige Evans flowers are known to be all aligned and stacked on top of one another. And so that's exactly what I went for. So as these are Paige Evans inspired. So now I'm adding the leaf. All you have to do is add some glue to the edge of the petal and glue it on. Here I am gluing the other petal to the flower, and so you have one petal on each side of the flower using some hot glue. Also, I'm using my silicone mat to glue that down. Another quick look at the flower. Here's the back. You can clean that up with some solid cardstock of your choice. And here are the rest of the flowers. And I'm loving all the colors. Michaels didn't carry some other colors. I wish I had some mint in here as well, and possibly some peach. However, I wasn't able to do that today, but we got three different styles here of color, and I'm happy to have made these. And they're so Paige Evans, and that's exactly what I was going for as I'm using her collection with Scrap Diva Designs dye. So excited that I was able to bring that to life there, and able to use this for my next project. And just a quick look of the orange as well as the blue. I want you to see the flowers with the value pack here, and you can see how it looks. Sometimes when you go to the store and you see a value pack, it's hard to imagine how something's going to turn out. And in this case, you can see how everything turned out, and how these flowers were able to come to life and come together. And yeah, I love the layers. I love the different shades of color as well. Another quick look at all of the colors. I want to know if you guys have played with Paige Evans collections. Um, and let me know which is your favorite, because I am in need of some help with her collections as I am new to them, and I currently have the Scenic Route collection. So I would like to explore others in her line and see what's available and what's new. So if you guys have any suggestions to help me out, I'd greatly appreciate it. And this concludes the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.